Well, hi, I'm Jim Pence with Homeschool Art Class, and this week we are going to be exploring the world of artificial intelligence art. I'm not going to do much more than just barely scratch the surface, just to give you an idea of what is out there and how you might be able to use it in your home school. We're not going to explore the ethical issues. If you've followed anything about AI art in the news, you know there's quite a controversy. Is it stealing? Is it using other people's work? Does it violate copyright? And those are all legitimate questions. But those questions really apply more if you're trying to use AI art commercially, if you're trying to make money off of it. If you're not, if you're using it in an educational setting, then it really falls under the fair use doctrine of copyright law. I'm an author and am very, very sensitive to intellectual property issues. So I have explored this, and this is something that legalities will be sorted out. It will take time, but there are lawsuits, and eventually that's all going to be taken care of, and it'll be worked out. And AI art is not going anywhere, but it will be resolved one way or the other. The whole legal issues. So we're not going to explore that more than just what I've said. Rather, again, I want to give you an idea of what's out there, how it can be a tool for you in your homeschool. And there are a lot of uses that you can put this to in an art program that I think you'll be encouraged by. There's a big variety of stuff that's available. I'm going to hit the highlights, but I won't cover everything that's out there. AI art has literally exploded on the scene over several months, and it is progressing at quantum leaps. I mean, just light speed. From week to week, there are new changes, there are new things that can be done. So just keeping up with the changes is a task in and of itself. That's as far as we're going to go in this little 8-part series, is just to hit the highlights, to show you what resources are there that you might be able to use, some that are free, some that are a small expense, and some that are a larger expense. And we'll cover them all, and then I will show you what you can do with AI art. So that's just a brief introduction. The next video, we're going to cover some of the easiest to access apps, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, and let's move on to the next video.